We were 5 people staying at Andre's apartment, both on 52nd and 67th floor, in Dubai Marina. Good location, clean apartment and amazing view. Andre and his team were easily available and went above and beyond to make our stay memorable.
The staff and the recommendations, the view, the location.
It has most of the amenities of a 5-hotel and all the convenience of home.
Staff not cooperative, room service very late, not exhaust in toilet, no toilet slippers, no complimentary tea and coffee and water.
The room has no bathrobes, no toothbrushes, monotonous and tasteless breakfasts.
The check-in took 50 minutes.